Howdy folks, I thought I'd give you a quick review of a recent product that I used. This is my wife's 2012 Ford Fiesta. It sits outside all year long, so the headlights were getting a little bit frosted, hazy, and I wanted to take care of this so she had better light during the night driving. You see I got it taped off already for the polishing part, the restoration part. And here's what you get in your box. You get spray lubricant for the sanding, lens clarifying compound, which is just a plastic polish. Get a plastic glove for the lens sealing wipe. That's the last step you do. The lens base coat cleans that. You get 2 pads. Each side has a different grit. You have to sand the headlights in finer grits and doing different directions each sanding. This was all bought at Menards for about $10. I figured I'd give it a shot. And this is the finished product. The really bad side, I sanded this twice and polished it twice, and then the last step I applied the clarifier and sealer to clear coat, which turned out really fantastic. This side was the last side. I didn't sand it, and then polished this a lot, and it came out pretty good, except for this was the last one that I applied the sealer to. You can see a little bit of streaking, but the other side came out fantastic. For $10, I'd say, and about an hour or so worth of work, I'd say this is pretty good. Just hope this helps you out. Thanks for watching.